Aleva's Gentle Baby Laundry, 3x. 40 loads, by Aleva Naturals is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. The Gentle Baby Laundry is formulated specifically with baby messes in mind, from spit-up and food mush to stained blankies and soiled clothing. With a safe, effective and high-efficiency formula, it is also free of all harsh chemicals that often irritate sensitive skin in traditional laundry products. The mild surfactants and emulsifiers derived from coconut oil penetrate and stains and odors for a pure and powerful clean for the entire family without the use of artificial brighteners and softeners. No matter how serious and dirty a load, the 3x concentrated Gentle Baby Laundry rinses thoroughly, leaving your baby's clothes feeling naturally soft and gentle and smelling fresh and clean. Also suitable for cloth diapers and eczema-prone skin, free of harsh chemicals, SLS, SLS, parabens, phosphates, phthalate, sulfates, fragrances, or dyes. Baby safe and baby specific, target spit up, food mush and poop. Perfect for cloth diapers too. Non-toxic, non-irritating and hypoallergenic too. Easy to use, no sticky residue left behind. Certified vegan and plant-powered, mild surfactants and emulsifiers derived from coconut extracts, 3x concentrated and eco-friendly, packaging made with recyclable materials.